We step into the world of spiritual rebirth, hidden within the rocky walls of the Fathers' Camaldolese Monastery in Bielany. This monumental monastery complex, surrounded by cloaks of forests, is not only an architectural gem, but also a symbolic oasis of peace amidst the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The history of this place stretches far back into the past, and the traces of the spiritual legacy of 4 centuries of the Camaldolese Fathers' presence are still alive. The monastery, originally built in the 17th century, has undergone numerous transformations, and its current form is a combination of Baroque architecture with later modifications. The complex includes a church, monastery, and other religious and residential buildings, which together form a harmonious whole. The Camaldolese monks, living according to the strict rules of ascetic monastic life, have devoted themselves to prayer, meditation, and work for centuries. Their life of solitude and silence amidst nature embodies the essence of spiritual seeking and concentration. The Camaldolese community, known for deep contemplation and asceticism, is an integral part of the history of this place. Chapels, prayer halls, and monastery refectories harbor not only valuable works of sacred art, but also a spiritual atmosphere that attracts pilgrims and seekers of inner peace. Walking through the cloisters and courtyards, one can feel the vibrant energy of this unique place. Located near Krakow, the monastery is often visited by tourists who take the opportunity to see other attractions in the area, such as the impressive Pilsudski Mound, picturesque zoo, or the beautiful Wolski Forest. These places complement the tranquil atmosphere of the monastery, creating an unforgettable journey through history and nature. The Fathers' Camaldolese Monastery in Bielanach is more than just a collection of buildings. It is a space where time flows differently, and the beauty of spiritual contemplation remains unscathed in the treasury of history.